Chilling with the boys. It's some UFC.
Okay. Right, we're off, boys. Sorry to cut you short, Lewis. We're off to the beach. Onto the beach.
Waves, what you gotta say? Have a drink, please.
Drink from the Bud Light, that bitch like me.
It's time to come back in the zone. Oh, let's get in the zone.
Patron. Yes, I'm on my own. It's 2, 3, leave a good tip. I'ma blow all my money, I don't give two shits.
I'm on a flow. I love to dance,
So give me more. Till I can't stand. Get on the floor. Like it's your last chance. If you want more, then here I am.
1, 2.
Starships were meant to fly. We've got a boy band to the sky. This is freedom. Django, come on then, this way. Go on, son. Oh, he's excited to be at the beach. No, we're not going down there. Is it cold?
It made fuck breathe, yo. Breathe.
Well, mate, I'm a swimming bee. Are we swimming, son? Swimming? Whoa! Hello, son! Whoa. It's a bit chilly, like. Chilly? It's a bit. So we look at the Terminator there, look at him go. Oh, it's chilly. So chilly.
Oh yeah, I'm being a bit short.
If you're from this side on camera, I'll be on here.
Yeah, that'll be it. Yeah, Luke? Luke, yeah? Oh, left hand, sorry lad. Chilling, you're just chilling, man, that's all, you're chilling. Yeah. Hold the camera. I'm doing my long jump. Alright, we'll go this way, chat. Let's go, go on, Luke. Django, ready? I'll get him in the seat. Go, let's go. Ready?
Oh, mate, it's freezing now.
Go on, Jake, you're next side. Django! Look, what's Luke got? Django. Good jump! Oh! There you go. There you go. The dog's not stopped running yet. What you doing, son? Hey? You going swimming? Going swimming? Go swimming with Jake. Hey! I'm going in now, boys. I'm going swimming as well now, so. Pirate ship. Oh, there's Luke. Right, son. Hey. There's a schnauzer in the sea. Hey. Alright, go on your race. Shake it out, son.
Oh, hang on a minute. You've got much more selling there.
Being a good boy at the beach, aren't you? So we're at the Red Lion after the beach with the boys. The boys down there, dog friendly. Yes, the boys. We are dog friendly. There's lots of water bowls about. I've just filled that one back up. There's a water bowl down here as well. There's the dog. And what a nice spot to sit, boys. He's gone through my whole bottle of water, so I'll have to go ask him to fill it up. Is that nice? Is that nice?
Fork at it. Oh, it's gone now.
Wagtail, is it?
South Korea,
Marilyn Monroe. We didn't start the party. You gotta feel real good. No. And in the mirror, when I am down and oh my soul so weary, when troubles come and my heart burden be, and I am still and wait here in the silence. Paro, but it doesn't actually give much. Dog can't
That
get
was
anything.
really nice.
We've discovered the Gardens of Suntrap and we are putting up the basketball nets because it has fallen.
Right, we've got to do these first.
Yeah, that's true, yeah. Fair.
Well, no.
After.
Definitely after.
Fergus chilling.
Are you just going to use this chair or are you going to use the lamp?
Nah. In this new shed that we built.
New shit!
The little ladders.
Little black. Oh la la!
That is a job well done.
Mission complete.
It's straight as you like. Come on. Dog's in front of the fire. In front of the fan, sorry.
Yeah, playing basketball.
The boys are chilling. Anyone busy? Come on then. Go on. Yeah, come on then.